This is fruit mall. All fruits are provided here by carving, fruit carving. You can see some fruits are there. This is also fruit mall. And plus, this is a drink section. You can see the drinks and salads, fruit salads. Fruit salad idara. Iదేంటి పపాయ? మస్క్ మిలన్. ఓకే, ఇది ఇంకోటి ఇది కివి, పపాయ. ఓకే, ఇది పైనాపిల్. వ్లాగ్స్ శ్యామ్లా ఛానల్ మా యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ ఇది. I think they got some objection. This is my fruit salad. I am going to enjoy now. Bye.